What is up, everybody? Sorry to hit you up with a pretty short video here, but as you just saw from the time lapse a few seconds ago, got me an engine. And as you can tell from the title, this is the engine for the S10. It is a LQ4 6 liter. You can see stamped right there. Don't know how good you can see, but iron block, aluminum heads, 376, I think, displacement. I don't know, not a big deal. It's gonna get all torn down, stuff done to it. It's all blasted with crow oil right now, so that's why it's kind of shiny. But before I took the video, I wanted to get all the accessories off so it would be pretty for everybody. So that's why it came with a wiring harness and an ECM, which I'm not using, so they're for sale. It also came with all this junk that I won't be using. Don't need this vortec, dude. Don't need the water pump and fan, AC, alternator bracket, all this junk. Don't need any of that. So that's why it's all off. I also had to purchase this big bad dude that helped me get it out of the truck. As you can see, it was toyed. It was on the ceiling. Lifted it out of the truck. My truck isn't that tall, so that's kind of surprised, but that engine hoist was on the ceiling getting it out of the bed. But she's here. She's ready to party. Probably have a couple teardown videos and then a handful rebuilding it. But of course, down the road, when we want to make some serious horsepower, we'll have a race block and built everything. I probably won't go forged internals yet with this block. This will probably just be for mock-up and just to get something in it that runs relatively quick. So hope you guys, I know there's a million LS videos on the internet already, but hopefully you'll stick around to see what I can do with the old S10. Maybe do something a little new. Guess we'll find out. But yeah, just short, quick video. Just thought I'd give you guys an update. Cold weather, it's snowing right now, but cold weather kind of puts a damper on the race car progress, but I'm working on it. Hopefully have a couple vids coming the next few weeks. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the future.